The best DSLRs compete surprisingly well with the latest mirrorless cameras. While it's true that mirrorless cameras are grabbing all the attention these days, many photographers still lack the size, grip ability, optical viewfinders, and battery life of digital SLRs. While the DSLR versus mirrorless cameras debate carries on, today some of the latest DSLR models still offer excellent value for your money and the exact performance you need. When it comes to determining exactly what the best DSLR is, this is not a super easy task. It's a common problem when recommending cameras, as it largely depends on the type of photographer you are and where you are in your photographic journey. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the top 5 best DSLR cameras that you can have to get the perfect shot you always desired. So without any further ado, let's get started.
At Camera Zone, our mission is to provide the most reliable updates of photography and cinematography gear, including expert opinion based on their performance and value.
The Canon 1D series is built for pros who can't afford to miss a shot and has been the go-to SLR for photographers covering sports, world news, and wildlife for years. And the EOS 1DX Mark III is the latest edition. Featuring a newly designed 20.1 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and updated Digic-X image processor, this camera is capable of continuous shooting rates up to 16 fps with the optical viewfinder or 20 fps in live view. With a 1000 shot buffer when shooting RAW plus JPEG, the 1DX is all about speed. Its autofocus covers a wide area of the frame, responds instantly, and tracks subjects with pinpoint accuracy. It offers 191 selectable focus points. Most are the more sensitive cross type, so the 1D is able to focus with f/8 lenses, giving you the freedom to pair big telephoto lenses with teleconverters without a big hit on autofocus speed or accuracy. Beyond stills, the 1DX Mark III is capable of internally recording DCI 4K videos at 60 fps with 10-bit color as well as RAW 5.5K video effortlessly. The Canon EOS 1DX Mark III is the best version of the 1D yet, which can fulfill even your most fastest shooting needs without breaking a sweat. Taken completely on its own merits, the Nikon D6 is a top-tier still camera both for shooting fast action, be that sport or wildlife. It can handle all without a hiccup. Adept in both photo and video realms, the D6 revolves around a 20.8 megapixel FX format sensor and an X-Speed 6 image processor that enables an impressive 14 fps continuous shooting rate and UHD 4K videos recording at 30 fps. Dubbed the most powerful autofocus in Nikon's history, the multi-cam 37K autofocus system uses an intelligent array of 105 all-across type points to quickly and accurately achieve focus across the frame and in a variety of lighting conditions. This focus system also works with 17 customizable group area AF patterns to suit working in cluttered or busy scenarios or with fast-moving subjects. As Nikon's flagship DSLR, the D6 is of course a tough camera too. Its magnesium alloy construction pairs with extensive weather sealing to resist dust and moisture, and a reinforced shutter mechanism has been tested for 400,000 shutter cycles. Professionals who only need a brilliant still camera packed with the fastest connectivity and killer autofocus will undoubtedly find lots of love in the Nikon D6. Distinguished by enhanced processing and improved imaging capabilities, the K-1 Mark II from Pentax is the successor to their first full-frame flagship DSLR. Revolving around a 36.4 megapixel CMOS sensor and Prime 4 image processor, the camera is capable of producing high-resolution stills at up to 4.4 fps along with recording full HD video. The 14-bit image processor has been updated with a Ricoh-developed accelerator unit which helps to reduce noise and increase clarity and color accuracy. Also contributing to improved image quality is the 5-axis shake reduction system, which minimizes the appearance of camera shake for sharper handheld shooting. Its SAF-OX12AF system is optimized for the full-frame image sensor and has a total of 33 AF points, of which 25 are cross-type and 3 f2-pointed luminescence sensors to maximize performance in all lighting conditions. It also got a unique feature called Astro Tracer. Using a built-in GPS compass and accelerometers, the camera automatically knows where it's pointed relative to the night sky. When Astro Tracer is enabled, the camera automatically shifts the sensor stabilization system to compensate for the Earth's rotation, making it a well-known choice for astrographers. One more unique feature of the K-1 Mark II's design is the use of a 3.2-inch cross-tilt LCD. It ensures the screen remains aligned with the optical center of the camera while allowing for tilts 44° down and 90° upward, as well as 35° left and right. Durability has always been one of Pentax's strong suits, and the K-1 Mark II is no exception, with a stainless steel chassis covered in a magnesium alloy shell that is tough and lightweight. The Pentax K-1 Mark II camera is a very minor update to the original K-1, but is a fine entry for the Pentax owners looking to step up to full frame. The EOS 90D is quite the step forward for Canon's EOS DSLR lineup. Being the first model of its kind to sport a 32.5 megapixel sensor, it proves to be an excellent all-rounder that's perfect for both stills and videos. Its updated sensor design delivers enhanced image clarity, dynamic range, and resolution, along with sensitivity up to ISO 25600 and low noise to adapt working in a variety of situations. Combined with upgraded image processing, this sensor is also capable of outputting UHD 4K 30fps and Full HD videos at 120fps, as well as supporting continuous still shooting rates up to 10fps. Benefiting shooting stills with the optical viewfinder, a wide area 45-point all-cross type face detection autofocus system offers quick and precise focusing in difficult lighting conditions. Its pentaprism type optical viewfinder offers 100% frame coverage for high compositional accuracy when shooting at eye level. It has also got a 3-inch touchscreen with vari-angle to permit working from high and low angles. By focusing on improving everything from resolution and burst rate to video and more, Canon has made the EOS 90D a strong and versatile camera that's great for both stills and video. Nikon fans looking for an all-around competitor to the do-it-all Canon EOS 90D should have a glimpse at the Nikon D7500. Also designed for enthusiasts, it packs 20.9 megapixel CMOS sensor and X-Speed 5 image processor, which unlocks an 8 fps continuous shooting rate for up to 100 consecutive JPEGs, a native sensitivity range to ISO 51200 that can be expanded up to 1,640,000 ISO, and 4K UHD video and time-lapse recording capabilities. To complement the imaging capabilities, it boasts a 51-point multicam 3500 FX2 autofocus system, which boasts 15 cross-type points for quick performance and accurate subject tracking capabilities in a wide range of lighting conditions. To ensure top-notch performance while ensuring durability, it comes in a sleek profile and monocoque construction that is ergonomic and easy to handle, all wrapped up inside a weather-sealed body to allow working in harsh environmental conditions. In addition to the pentaprism optical viewfinder, it has also got a rear 3.2-inch touchscreen with a tilting design to benefit high and low shooting angles. Additionally, it also offers SnapBridge, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi for wireless transfer of photos and movies and remote control over the camera from linked mobile devices. The D7500 is Nikon's enthusiast DSLR camera, which also comes with a budget price range, and because it has got an excellent 20.9 megapixel sensor and powerful 51-point autofocus system, it's capable of satisfying all photographers and videographers alike. So that was all about the best DSLR cameras available today. Each of the cameras comes with distinctive features to serve different photographic needs. So which one do you like the most? Let us know in the comment section.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or another needed to add, we'd love to hear yours.